Question number 1. Vaccination mainly provides which type of immunity? Correct option is C. Artificial active immunity. Question number 2. Which cell produce antibodies after vaccination? Correct option is B. Plasma cells. Question number 3. Which term refers to immunity transferred from mother to fetus? Correct option is C. Passive immunity. Question number 4. Which immunity develops slowly but lasts longer? Correct option is A. Active immunity. Question number 5. Which immunity does not involve memory cells? Correct option is B. Passive immunity. Question number 6. Which factor most affect vaccine response? Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 7. BCG is which type of vaccine? Correct option is D. Live attenuated. Question number 8. Which vaccine cannot be given to immunocompromised patients? Correct option is C. Live attenuated vaccine. Question number 9. DPT vaccine contains which of the following component? Correct option is D. All of these. Question number 9. Which vaccine requires booster doses? Correct option is B. Inactivated vaccine. Question number 11. Which vaccine is derived using genetic engineering? Correct option is C. Hepatitis B. Question number 12. Which vaccine is damaged by freezing? Correct option is D. Hepatitis B. Question number 13. Secondary immune response is faster due to? Correct option is B. Memory cells. Question number 14. Why live vaccine are contraindicated in pregnancy? Correct option is C. Risk of fetal infection. Question number 15. Which vaccine failure occurs due to host factors? Correct option is A. Primary failure. Question number 16. Which vaccine response is poor in malnutrition? Correct option is D. All vaccines. Question number 17. Antibodies dependent enhancement is seen in which infection? Correct option is B. Dengue. Question number 18. Which vaccine works by neutralizing toxin? Correct option is C. Toxide vaccine. Question number 19. Which immunity develops without exposure to antigen? Correct option is A. Passive immunity. Question number 20. Which immune cell presents antigen to T cells? Correct option is D. Dendritic cells. Question number 21. Which vaccine is most damaged by sunlight? Correct option is B. BCG vaccine. Question number 22. Which vaccine should never be frozen? Correct option is D. DPT vaccine. Question number 23. Which indicator shows exposure to freezing? Correct option is D. Shake test. Question number 24. Which vaccine is not affected by maternal antibodies? Correct option is C. BCG vaccine. Question number 25. Which vaccine is intramuscular and anterolateral thigh? Correct option is C. Pentavalent vaccine. Question number 26. Maximum antibody response occurs after. Correct option is B. Booster dose. Question number 27. Which vitamin enhance vaccine response? Correct option is D. Vitamin A. Question number 28. Which vaccine is optional but highly recommended? Correct option is C. PCV vaccine. Question number 29. Fully immunized child indicator is assessed at age. Correct option is B. 12 months. Question number 30. Which vaccine requires informed consent often? Correct option is D. COVID-19. Question number 31. Which reaction occurs immediately after injection due to fear? Correct option is B. Sinus cough. Question number 32. Who is responsible for vaccine safely at session site? Correct option is D. All team members. Question number 33. Which vaccine eliminate disease globally? Correct option is C. Smallpox. Question number 34. Which vaccine is mandatory for healthcare worker? Correct option is C. Hepatitis B vaccine. Question number 35. Which disease re-emerged due to low coverage? Correct option is D. Measles. Question number 36. Which vaccine is most commonly associated with fever? Correct option is B. DPT vaccine. Question number 37. Immunization is a part of which level of prevention? Correct option is A. Primary level. Question number 38. Which vaccine provides community-wide protection? Correct option is B. OPV vaccine. Question number 39. What is the main purpose of giving a booster dose? Correct option is C. Increased antibody level. Question number 40. What is the minimum temperature required to store vaccine safely? Correct option is C, 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. Question number 41. Where does progesterone exert maximum effect? Correct option is B, endometrium. Question number 42. Where does female orgasm originate anatomically? Correct option is C, clitoris. Question number 43. What is the function of clitoris erectile tissue? Correct option is B, sexual arousal. Question number 44. Which hormone is responsible for amenorrhea in stress? Correct option is A, cortisol. Question number 45. Which ligament maintains intuition of uterus? Correct option is C, round ligament. Question number 46. Where is estrogen mainly metabolized? Correct option is A, liver. Question number 47. Which cell secretes estrogen in ovarian follicle? Correct option is B, theca externa. Question number 48. What is the function of uterine peristalsis? Correct option is B, sperm transport. Question number 49. Where does ovarian cancer most commonly arise? Correct option is C, surface epithelium. Question number 50. Which hormone regulates GnRH pulse frequency? Correct option is D, progesterone. Question number 51. Where does female sexual desire originate hormonally? Correct option is A, androgens. Question number 52. Where does female gametogenesis stop permanently? Correct option is C, at menopause. Question number 53. Where does female reproductive tract open externally? Correct option is C, vestibule. Question number 54. Which hormone causes breast engorgement in pregnancy? Correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 55. Where does oocytes arrest occur before puberty? Correct option is C, metaphase. B, prophase 1. Question number 56. When does ovum degenerate if not fertilized? Correct option is C, 24 hours. Question number 57. When does placental progesterone dominant? Correct option is B, 6 weeks. Question number 58. Where does female pelvic organ, pelvic vein during ovulation arise from? Correct option is C, ovary. Question number 59. Where does sperm usually die in acidic environment? Correct option is D, vagina. Question number 60. Where does uterine sound measures length? Correct option is C. Uterine cavity. Question number 61. Which structure forms the outermost layer of uterus? Correct option is C. Perimetrium. Question number 62. Where does female reproductive hormones inhibit act? Correct option is C. Pituitary gland. Question number 63. Where does estrogen exert anabolic effect? Correct option is B. Bone. Question number 64. Where does blastocyte attach during implantation? Correct option is B. Endometrium. Question number 65. When does estrogen level begin fall in late luteal phase? Correct option is C. Day 24. Question number 66. Where does cervical dilation start during labor? Correct option is B. Internal os. Question number 67. Where does astrocyte arrest during after ovulation? Correct option is C. Metaphase 2. Question number 68. Where does female sexual response originate neurologically? Correct option is A. S2 and S-pod. Question number 69. Where does ovarian follicle rupture occur? Correct option is C. Cortex. Question number 670. Where does the uterine artery cross the ureter? Correct option is A. At cervix. Question number 71. Where is progesterone primarily metabolized? Correct option is B. Liver. Question number 72. When does cervical mucus become thin and watery? Correct option is B. During ovulation. Question number 73. How does estrogen level falls during menopause? Correct option is A. Gradually. Question number 74. What is the function of primary in ovulation? Correct option is A. Capture ovum. Question number 75. Which hormone increases vascularity of endometrium? Correct option is B. Estrogen. Question number 76. Which hormone inhibits follicle stimulating during luteal phase? Correct option is C. Inhibin. Question number 77. Where does the majority of oocyte maturation occur? Correct option is A. Ovarian cortex. Question number 78. Which hormone peaks just before ovulation? Correct option is B. Luteinizing hormone. Question number 79. Where does estrogen exert neuroprotective effect? Correct option is B. Hippocampus. Question number 80. What is the primary function of inhibin in females? Correct option is B. Suppress follicle stimulating hormone.